We're going to share some information on why your Phoenix 200 might not start. This is brand new, so I was hoping to get it going, but it was acting up. So one, see the hose that's going to the front of the car, that may be off or broken or loose. Just double check that to make sure that that's not broken. Also, the carburetor needle valve, it adjusts from most lean to most rich. Mine was set at the bottom, which is the most rich. So I adjusted to the third level, which is like the happy medium, and it ran a lot better. And the last thing I found was that the spark plug wire was loose. Now I finally push it in, and it should be good. That was the issue I found that was causing some problems. So now when I put it in, I get it running. I obviously start from full choke and do a 5-second interval, but I did warm it up a little bit, so now it should. Look at that.